Hello, Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session. This episode we're going to make excellent Christmas cake and we have Chef Pondraj.
Yes, sir.
Raj, everybody calls you
Namaste.
Raj. Yeah. So Chef, you have been very successful and especially in bakery you've been winning medals all the time. And recently at the Sri Lankan Chefs Guild competition also you won the medal.
Yeah, I win the medal with Dress the Cake. Dress the competition cake is a bronze medal. I win the cake. Now I coming to make a Christmas, season of Christmas. So I make to Christmas cake to festival time. How to make authentic plum cake. So
See, the Christmas cakes, a lot of people make it differently. I had the German style, I had the England style, and there are some recipes which are almost 700 to 800 years old recipes still existing. But today we're going to do the Pondraj special cake, Christmas cake. Okay, let's do.
First, we start with butter.
How much butter?
Butter is 250 gram
We're going to put all of them in the machine.
mixture bowl.
250 grams of butter,
Add sugar, 225 gram.
225 grams of sugar.
So we make two together. So we start with the slow speed.
Basically, you cream both of it
creamy.
very nice.
This method called it is butter and sugar creamy. Till dissolve the sugar, you add egg one by one.
So you add one egg at a time
Yeah,
till the entire sugar gets
exactly.
mixed up.
Add one by one. Christmas flavors come to mix spicy and liquors. Liquors with rum, brandy. So whatever liquor you are choosing.
All that we added with the raisin and the
so
nuts.
we added all those things. This fruit will be soaked 3 months before. When we make a fruit cake or plum cake, we soak 3 months before. That is the original. The soaking with rum, fruits, everything together, soaking. So we are using this also. It's not now. It's finally. Now we start another one, another egg. The egg is one by one.
So we totally add 4 eggs in this.
Yeah, totally add 4 eggs. So give me maybe 5 minutes to take a dissolve this sugar.
Yes.
So middle of this you need to scraping inside because some sugar is sitting in the down. So we need to squeeze it up. So it will be mixing easily and quickly.
While you are nicely mixing, you got to make sure the sugar completely dissolves.
Yeah.
That is the reason we added 1 egg at a time. And you have to scrape off the bottom once in a while. The sugar whichever is sticking to the wall comes off. And once again,
Yeah, it will become to very soft.
very soft.
Very soft.
So now this is nicely mixed.
This is the consistency of this. Now we need to add, this is jam. Then we added to crush. This is the mango and strawberry and pineapple. Each crush is 10 ml. So this crush and jam, what will do the plum cake? This making moisture.
Moist.
Yeah, moisture. So when you eat in time, you feel it is moisture.
Okay.
So that's why we need to add this jam, this together. And when it is mixed with the juicy and fruit, it will make a more sweetness.
Okay.
So that's why we made this add together. Mix slowly. Then we add spicy. This is mixed spicy. So this mixed spicy coming to clove, nutmeg, cinnamon stick.
Here the mixed spices.
Yeah. This is 15 gram, 10 to 15 gram according to the spicy. This is ginger powder, cinnamon powder.
Cinnamon powder.
So give me some minute to mix well. So then after that we add plum fruits.
All the fruits what we have soaked here and we're going to add all of them. That is also nice alcohol and the spices, everything is there.
Exactly, sir. Slow speed.
So chef, this is blackjack.
Yes, this is blackjack.
Blackjack is very easy to make. All you need to do is put some sugar in a pan, heat it well. After caramelization, it will darken in color and it will become blackish in color. And that is when you add a little more water and you make this syrup.
Yeah, this syrup, if this syrup giving to little bitly that sour taste.
Sourness.
So that will be making cake. When you moisten with sour, it will be very good taste. So this syrup according to your color and your taste. Yeah.
So the blackjack, what it does is it gives kind of slight bitterness. Not only that, when it is a moist cake, this will give that bitterness and excellent taste. Especially for the Christmas cake, when it is nice and dark, it will be like really, really good.
Now we add to flour. If you choose the cake flour, it is the better than if you don't have a cake flour, you add baking powder. So I use baking powder also because I don't have a cake flour. I have all-purpose flour.
Nowadays, you can buy the cake flour, which comes with the sodium bicarbonate, that means the soda, mixed with it. But if you don't have, you can use all-purpose flour and also add a little bit of baking powder.
And very slow speed because of flour is inside.
And now slowly mix it, and this is ready to go into a baking tray.
Yeah, it is baking tray which is we have already. I grease it. So I cover with butter paper. This is the color. It will come into moisture. So after the bake, it will be take 30 to 45 minutes to bake. Once done this, so arrange properly. Hit it. When you hit it, so it will be even shape and no gap. So finally we sprinkle with dry fruits. I put dates and walnut and cashew, almond flakes. Finally, tutti frutti. It is your choice, up to you. If you need a tutti frutti, so it will make it color and nicely. That's it. We need to wait for 30 to 40 minutes to bake. After that, we taste really Christmas cake.
At what temperature?
It is 180 temperature.
180 degrees centigrade for 30 to 40 minutes. If the cake is going to be bigger, it's going to take more time, and when it comes out, it's going to be moist and perfect. Finally, it is done, is it?
Yes, it is done.
Yeah.
Actually, this is taking 45 minutes. Our oven taking almost 1 hour. It depends on the oven. So now I am demolding. So I showing the one method how to demold which is the round mold or square mold. First place on the base on top. So do ulta. So then remove this your container. So next we take another one base. No need. That one is the base. No need, sir. So after that you ulta, then it will come.
Hey!
So it is easy way. No need
Okay.
to pouring out. So it is perfectly done. I think it is there is so much of moisture. So now we tested the sugar, icy sugar. Now we can decorate with Santa Claus, Christmas tree. It is depend on your creation. It is a perfect one. Maybe after that, whenever we make a plum cake, so after that keep cooling, and after that we eat.
Look at this, nice and moist. So, this is perfect.
Even I feel the ginger flavor,
Yes,
even the liquor flavor also.
yes, lot of liquor flavor, lot of nice. Make it nice and moist. I also love the Christmas pudding. So instead of putting in the oven, you put it in a double bain marie in a tray of water, and then put the bowl there and steam it for like 2 hours, and even that you can make a nice done. Chef, really nice. And
This cake it will be, we can keep 1 month. It doesn't get us spoiled because we add a liquor, those things. So we can keep in the fridge whenever we feel it.
Yes, now you're talking my language. What I do is I put it in the fridge. Every time I walk by the fridge, I have to take a piece and eat.
Yes, exactly, sir.
That is
So
that's
you
how.
feel whatever whenever
Yes,
you go
yes.
through that moisture and the liquor flavor is there.
Absolutely fantastic. Chef Panraj, excellent.
Thank
Thank you very much. We want you to come back and show us a lot more bakery recipes.
Yeah, sure, sir.
No?
Definitely I can. And I have a own bakery set up in Chennai, and it's called Berry Pastry Hub. You can follow through Google, even Instagram. It is a Berry Mail 20. It is go through. We have a lot of pictures. You can choose even the wedding cakes. I have a day I can do the marriage weddings like a buffet style. It is coming to like a 10 buffet like this.
All of you got it. It is Berry Pastry Hub. Follow it on the Facebook. For any weddings or for any of the parties, if you want to have a nice pastry, cake and all kind of buffet kind of thing, he is the guy to catch on. And especially you are in Chennai, and you can go up to Coimbatore and all the other places also.
Even Hyderabad, Bombay, I can done the job.
You
Even
can
I
get the
did it the big function, especially we are taking 1,000 packs, 2,000 packs. It is basically we take an undertaken.
Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. So this is what, you need to have the passion, then and then that passion is to inspire others to taste the food.
Surely.
So that's what you're doing.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you. When we eat such a good cake, you got to say Vareva.
Vareva.
Yes.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Mr. Pounraj.
Thank you, chef.
And
Congratulations.
Thank you, chef.
Pounraj.
Yes, chef.
Okay, from Berry Pastry Hub. Check it out in Chennai Facebook. Congratulations.